Shinobi Squad, power up. Obi the Shinobi. What's good? How are you doing? To all my Shinobi Knights out there, changing the world, doing what you gotta do to maintain, but not only that, doing what you gotta do to serve your higher and greater purpose. Enforce self-discipline in your life, my Shinobis. It's important. Control your attention. It pays to pay attention. So, control it and inspire for more teamwork. You really need that in your life. Teamwork. And not only that, you must learn from adversity and defeat it. Defeat adversity. And you must cultivate a creative vision. Life can be a routine and it can be boring at times, but you must maintain a sound health. Health is wealth. And budget your time, meaning time and money. I mean, it's all linked up together. Either way you look at it, manage and budget your time. Obi the Shinobi, dropping gems, giving you some keys to some Shinobi success. I want all my Shinobis to have success in their lives and power up to the fullest. So, assemble an attractive personality. These are tips to some keys to have in your life if you want some success, some Shinobi success. Thanks for subscribing. Thank you for all my foot soldiers, my Shinobi soldiers, the ones out there promoting the channel, holding it down. Shinobi Squad, stay powerful and never have fear. Hell nah. Have no fear. Obi the Shinobi is here. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. Shinobi, kick that notification bell. Support my business, my channel. Support the squad. But most importantly, support yourself.